everyone. I am so excited to share some of the hot topics that we came away with in our executive forum that we just completed this month. And the topic was around closing the trust gap. And it's really about aligning teams during change. And for those of you in the workplace, you know, change is just happening all the time, quicker, faster, and it's something that we have to be able to adapt, especially leaders. So, this powerful leadership conversation, which, by the way, that's who we invite to our executive forums, our leaders. Some of them are seasoned leaders, some of them are emerging leaders, but it's really about being in conversation to support each other. And so, one of the topics, actually, I'm going to say one of the polls that we did, Victoria's going to share about the poll that we took and some of the feedback that came from that poll.
Yeah, our top answer of issues that leaders have seen over the past 60 days: missed deadlines, forgetting steps, or reverting to old methods, which really drives to staff not understanding why or the why behind the decision. And I think that leads into trust as well. They don't understand, maybe they were going this direction and whoop, now we've made a change. Leadership has made a change. They don't understand why they were just taken away from this assignment. They were getting good progress, and now they have to go in a different direction. And that leads into a little bit of trust issues as well.
Yes. And I think there were some really great tools that we gave these leaders to help build the trust. And a theme that we have heard for the past, or we've been sharing for the past 5 months, is really about consistent communication about what's happening. Even as a leader, if you don't know what's happening, you need to let your team know. And it's about building trust by is something as simple as the small things of listening to your team members, having those one-on-ones. How are they doing? How is this change landing with you? And really showing your team members that you care. So, as an overarching theme, just closing the trust gap is really about leaders, your words aligning with your actions, building reliability through clear expectations, steady, constant communication, and visible follow through. And it leads to walking your talk. So that's the gist of what came away, the greatest takeaways from our executive forum. We look forward to perhaps having you join us next month, and you can complete the form here and ask for an invitation because we would love to have you join. So thanks, and we'll see you next time.